Do you think that this is perhaps the bottom of the cycle, or is there worse to come?
Well, I wouldn't say the bottom of the cycle because we were expecting the COVID-19 to go away by the summertime. Now we know that it's not going to away and it's getting worse. So it really depends on how the COVID-19 will affect overall. And also other issues that's bothering HSBC is the U.S. and China tension, which you already mentioned. Now it's just started, so we really don't know how it turns out or how the restructuring plan will be. But when we look at the operational numbers, they are actually improving in so many ways. So from an operational point of view, I think HSBC is getting a hang of it. However, the outside factors such as the U.S. and the China relationship tension and the COVID-19 these are the uncontrollable issues. So we really can't tell whether it's at the bottom or not.
Okay, how does HSBC then mitigate the COVID issues and the other issues that you're outlining there?
Well, for the COVID-19 issue, I think from the cost cutting perspective, it's doing pretty well. But the one number that really bothers me is the credit loss provision. It's huge. It's actually in the contrary to Standard Chartered's numbers. They actually came out a lot less than expected. So I really don't know whether they internally they really see that the loans that going forward will be significantly damaged by the COVID-19. But for the prudent actions, they are putting a lot of expected credit losses. So I think if the COVID-19 is improving, so we will see these numbers will be reduced significantly in the second half. For the U.S. and the China tensions, I think they're in a very tight spot. They are now trying to lean on the China side by spinning off the U.S. or the Euro assets, but they are a UK bank and they have still half of the businesses in over those areas. So how they can, wiggle around between these countries is still remain to be seen. So I would love to see their restructuring plan, how they are going to mitigate this risk. But I think that there's so much they can do at this point.